Alright guys, well, I wasn't going to talk, but Freedom the Parrot is in the bird pack. He's, you know, oh, here it is. Oh my god, Freedom is so scared when he sees a tortoise. Wow, isn't this cool? Wow, to see him go up the little, like a garage area. Do you love it? And then he's just, now remember, he can't see us because he went in straight forward. But how cool is that? He went up the driveway. Freedom. Woo! He just disappeared. I love it. He went into the burrow. Very cool. Alright guys, this is beyond exciting. So, Gopher Tortoise right here at the Econ River Wilderness area. Have a great day.